we're going to
fire up our snowmobile.
yeah, go fire up the snowmobile.
Yeah.
We're
And then go ride it.
chronicling the current blizzard.
Chase the horse, Annie.
No, we're not going to chase the horses.
We're not. Probably standing in the shit anyway.
Doubt it.
Silly horse was eating the house.
It's giving a horse too much credit for its intelligence to do that.
Yes. The horses, all the horses were eating the house. We gotta say, why are you stealing our bed? No, not five.
Well, ran over something terrible. What was that?
Oh gosh. Nothing there.
A little drifty.
Oh no, my kitty.
Shh. I hope we're not hung up in it.
It's a little chilly to remove the pizza.
Yes.
Why is that?
We lift it there.
Okay. Let's go button this up.
Holding the pizza.
That's let's us.
Oh, I'm
Let's us go button that up. You genius.
Are those two?
No, you stay here, Beanie. Snow's too deep.
starting the truck for you.
No, I think I'm just gonna unhook the cables and leave it here. Is that alright? With you, boss? Got them off?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Just kind of set it up in that general vicinity. Trying not to make electrical contact with anything. Yeah. Oh, what did you do? Oh my God! Oh, somebody could be so bad at everything. There we go. All right. On your way. You're going to preg test tomorrow, Sam, you say? Yeah. I hear it was a nice day in Iowa, anyhow.